Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bfwog token. Now the Fwog token is a very popular token. So when there's very popular tokens, obviously then you have spin-offs, the mamas, the papas, the minis, the 2.0s, the CEOs, and the babies. Just like Baby Doge, now we got Baby Fwog. And this token right now is trending number 3 on Pinksale.finance. They have a full audit. This is on the Solana blockchain, a Sol meme coin. And they are about to start their pre-sale in around a day or so on Pinksale.finance. So this token is not even out yet. So you got a lot of time to go check this token out before the pre-sale even starts. So we're going to go over the information on the Baby Fwog token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, right now it's trending number 3. So when you go look at this token, it could be, even trending number 1 or in the top 10 somewhere. But people are anticipating this pre-sale here. Ticker symbol is Bfwog. Baby Fwog is the name of the token. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find this project. At its Baby Fwog. Just a little baby Fwog in a big pond. They just joined Twitter November 2024. They almost have 3,000 followers already. 2,929 Twitter followers, 12 tweets, and then they have a link to their webpage right there. Did I just say that? No, it's just the same address. It's a babyfwog.com, so almost the same as the Twitter address. Now, it says here, their pin tweet from November 11th. Our community is already buzzing with excitement for our pre-sale and launch. We can't guarantee a whitelist spot since we don't have a specific competition for memes or art, but we love seeing your creativity. Keep up the great work, and who knows, you might get one. Now, I don't even know if this is actually a whitelist pre-sale. Maybe they changed a bit. Let me go look here. So it does, it is a whitelist only pre-sale. So we'll check out the webpage, see if they have links here. So if you go to their Pinksale page, it says, you've seen Fwog soaring upwards recently. Now it's time for Baby Fwog to join the party. They're going to be listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. They're going to have a CT campaign and a Telegram campaign as well. 6 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. So it does say whitelist only. It says minimum buy is 2.99 SOL and max buy is 3 SOL. So they basically want people to spend around 3 SOL, it seems like. And they have here a soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 300 SOL. And the hard cap is 600 SOL. Now generally, these whitelist pre-sales sell out pretty quick, so just be aware of that. Not always, but just generally. Now, it says here, tokens for pre-sale is a little bit over 702.2 million Bfwog tokens, and tokens for liquidity is a little bit over 146.76 million Bfwog tokens. So it says unsold tokens will be burned. Pre-sale start time is exactly November 15th at 13 hours UTC time and is going to run for 1 day until November 16th at 13 hours UTC time, or until they reach 600 SOL, whichever one comes first, the 24 hours or the hard cap. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, you can get the token shortly after on a decentralized exchange called Raydium. You can fund your Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you use for Solana tokens. You'd fund that with Sol. Then you could go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the Bfwog token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage. It's babyfwog.com. Now, if you go over to the Telegram, it is at It's Bfwog on Telegram. 196 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. But if you go in there, maybe you'll see a way to get on the whitelist. But they said they can't really guarantee a waitlist spot for anyone, so it might be real tough to get on this waitlist. If you go to the webpage, it says, new Fwog in town. Meet Bfwog, the cutest Fwog ever. It says here 20% of the tokens are going to liquidity. Now, as far as liquidity, it says they will be listed on Raydium, but they also may be listed on Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, other Solana dexes, and they could get some central exchange listings in the future. That's why it's a good idea to follow the Twitter, Telegram, and see announcements of new partnerships, updates, token listings, etc. So 20% goes to liquidity, 6% unlocked, 5% goes to KOLs, 3% team, and pre-sale gets 66%. Now it says they're going to be listed on Aave.ai, which is one of their partners, CoinMarketCap, Raydium, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, SoulScan, etc. So they do have links to Dex Tools and Dex Screener for when the token does go live on there. Now their roadmap here says Stage 1, launching Bfwog website and community, pre-sale on Pinksale, marketing launch on Raydium. Phase 2 is going to be listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, trending globally with hashtag Bfwog, listing on central exchanges. Phase 3, Bfwog real-life events, listing on Tier 1 central exchanges, enter the top meme coin leaderboards. So yeah, and then they just have all the links on their page to socials and things like that. Now you can check out their audits. They got, so their audit is at the top of their Pinksale page. They were audited by Analytics Audit. It says they got 90% score. So it says a high score, but just keep in mind that's not a perfect score. 90% is not perfect, so there is a couple issues. It says audit confidence is 4 stars out of 5 stars. So, you know, when there is, it doesn't say any minor, medium, major, critical, or informational issues. So you basically have to click on the full audit report to see why they got 90%. But just like I said, it's not a perfect audit. So, you know, thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.